the next question I have here is, when you boost a post, does Facebook show you responses from the boost, not just comments or a graph? When you boost a post, yes, so when you boost a post, does Facebook show you responses from the boost? It absolutely does. So if you boost a post and if you go to your Facebook page, your business page, you have something called the Ad Center on your Facebook page. So if you have an admin level access, you can see this on your Facebook business page. You have something called an Ad Center. And inside your Ad Center, it will actually show you the graph. It will also show you the interaction information. It will also show you the comments, the whole thing. Ad Center on your Facebook page will show you that. Now, if you have the Ads Manager, it will also show you, and if you chose that right ads account on your Ads Manager, it will also show you way more details than that. The Ads Manager is like boosting on steroids. It's so much information. Like, it will actually tell you what was your engagement rate, what was your click-through rate, what demographics was online, which one was not. You can go ahead and select specific evaluation things that you want to see, right? How long did they watch my video for? All this great information that if you really are interested in knowing your target audience and how they're engaging with your Ads Manager, amazing. It will show you so much more information than a regular boosted post. But again, if you just want a quick analytic information, just go to your Ad Center on your Facebook business page and you can see it there. And then for your Ads Manager, you can just select that ad that you have, click on the details, keep clicking on the ad, and then just clicking on it, and you will actually see a lot more information there as well. So yes, you have a lot of them. Oh, you're very welcome. Of course, this is what I'm here for. You're asking me questions and I'm answering them all. So this is what I absolutely love. Now remember that Facebook owns Instagram. So because Facebook owns Instagram, a lot of the ads that you run on both platforms. So when you're creating an ad and it will say placements mean Instagram. So that's how it actually comes down to it, So when you have your Instagram, when you have an ad on Facebook, it's going to show up on Instagram unless you tell it not to. You also always have the option to select your Instagram account as well when you're creating these ads. So make sure that your Instagram account is linked to your Facebook business page, and it's going to get a lot better because just yesterday, Mark Zuckerberg announced that the Messenger is going to be one messenger now between Facebook and Instagram. And that's really great because I will tell you that majority of my entire business, and that means behind the scenes with my team and then on the scenes with my clients, is all through Messenger. I get brand new clients through Messenger. I get brand new prospects through Messenger. I have people reaching out to me for speaking engagements through Messenger. I keep in touch with my own clients through Messenger. I also go ahead and am super active with my own team on Messenger. I mean, we live on Messenger. So now that Instagram, Messenger, and Facebook are going to be one, and you are going to be able to do like multiple people at the same time, like you can see them, you can chat with them, you're going to play videos. So a lot of stuff is happening with Messenger. And that's an option for you when you're running your ads, that do you want to activate Messenger so people can directly message you. So if your ad content is something that people need to ask you questions about, then say yes. Do send message button on your ad. You could do that in a boost ad or an ads manager ad. You could do both of those, and that kind of works out as well. All right, next question. So I have this question coming in. Hi, Amy. Hello. All right, so I have a question coming in here, and the question says, do you teach Facebook ads? I guess all this ad stock is really forcing us in the direction, right? Yes. Well, I'm a marketing strategist, a social media coach. So I actually have an entire one-on-one. So this is not a video. This is not a you go there, but a one-on-one training with me in my social media coaching, where I go over content, how to build calendar. I mean, strategies, specific strategies on building content. How do you create relevancy, engagement? How do you optimize your social media pages? There is so much you could do at a back end that automatically helps your page. What kind of post to make, when to post, data, how do you run ads? How do you boost ads? How do you use ads manager? What is business manager? How do you even use that? How do you create videos? How do you repurpose videos? So yes, I am a social media coach as well as a marketing strategist. So yes, I do provide one-on-one training. Feel free to reach out to me, buzz me, shoot me a message on Facebook Messenger, and we can definitely chat about that. So yes, I do provide that training. Thank you so much for asking me that question.